Hello and welcome to the Bird Tales. I am at a WPA with Skip in the back, and we are about to go hunting. But first, I have to tell you about my previous week. So, last Saturday was actually a briar hunt day. I got a backpack thing that Briar can stand on, and so I put him on my back, and we took off. Good morning. I hate head cameras. These ones, you know, like this. They're so shaky and all over the place. But today, we're doing one. Here's why. Hey, you ready to go hunting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Let's go hunting, Tootie.
You're Tootie. Say, welcome to the Bird Tales.
Welcome to the Bird Tales.
All right, we're gonna... Briar, what are we hunting for today?
For some birds.
What kind of birds?
Pheasants.
Pheasants.
Giant pheasants.
And what kind of giant pheasants?
Yeah, but those are my favorite pheasants.
Those are your favorite pheasants?
Yeah.
All right, what dog do we have with?
Skip
We got Skip?
and Gilly.
No, just Skip.
Skip.
All right, and are we going out there?
Yep.
Briar, are you even looking? Where are we going? Briar, which way are we going?
That way.
Okay, close enough. You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
There he is. Follow him.
Yep.
This is gonna be a fun hunting season I ever went. This is my it's the best day of my life.
This is the best day of your life?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
All right, so what happened, Briar?
We shot a pheasant, but
What?
it fell in the water. But Daddy didn't know where it was. But I'm a little sad. But Daddy couldn't find it.
Yeah.
So we're trying to find another pheasant. Oh, he couldn't.
That's exactly what happened. Skip was working along the edge of the fence. He went on point a couple times actually, and it was pretty clear there was a rooster running in front of us, or a pheasant running in front of us at least. And when the rooster flushed, I shot it, right?
Yeah.
I got him! Did you see that, Briar?
Yeah, but it landed out in the middle of the cattails. If I'd had my wits about me, I probably shouldn't have shot. I mean, the water is ridiculous here. I mean, I gotta show you this. This is the same wetland. I mean, we shot that rooster just right up over there, and the water is just ripping through here. It's super deep. I went up over my waist. I'm completely drenched right now. And we looked for him, but we couldn't find him. And Skip doesn't have enough experience to find that bird, but even if he did, I mean, there's current coming through there. If he landed in the current, he'd have been 100 feet away by the time we got to him, because I had to stop and I took Briar off my back, unloaded my gun, set it in a tree, all of the above. By the time I got down to where the bird was, if he was swimming, he was gone. Briar, what did you think about your first pheasant hunt? Did you have fun?
Okay.
You want to go again?
Yeah, I want to for it all the time. Plus, we did some pheasants right now.
Okay. Well, we'll go hunting more often, okay?
Okay.
Let's go home and get some hot chocolate.
Yeah.
All right, see ya. The next day, I went out with Gilly on a WMA. They were harvesting the beans right next to it, so I thought it would be the perfect time to get out, and it was. Gilly did a phenomenal job. He had a rock solid point. I crept around the outside, rooster flushed, I shot it, it fell into the cattails, and then he went up and retrieved it.
Come! Gilly, come! What? Come here. Come here. Oh, good.
So it was everything I wanted, perfect. We didn't get out again until the next Saturday when I met up with Jared and Ben, and we hunted pretty hard all afternoon. First we went to a WPA. that it's a long, skinny WPA, goes a long ways back, like almost 2 miles back, no road on the other side. We walked all the way to the other side, all the way around the wetlands, through everything, and we never flushed a bird. So then after that, we went to another WPA with Gilly, and we flushed a couple of hens, but no roosters. And that was our day. So it was a long day of hiking for no birds. The next day, I went out to another WPA with Skip. Same thing. They were harvesting the corn on the other side of the road, and we did flush 2 birds a long ways up, but I knew this spot was going to be really high pressure and that it was going to be difficult. The only reason I was excited to hunt it is because they were currently harvesting the corn across the road. And so I figured that would push a few birds into there. And we did flush a couple, but they were all out of range. I'm sure it's been hunted a whole bunch. And as a matter of fact, as we were out there hunting, a vehicle pulled up on the road maybe a couple 100 yards from me, and 2 guys hopped out with their lab and walked. There's guys like 200 yards away, getting out of their car, getting ready to hunt right here. But that was it. It was kind of a tame week. So now we're gonna head up to this WPA, and I know there's rough grouse and pheasants out here. I've never hunted it before, but I've shed hunted out here before, and I'm certain that they're out here. So it's a matter of finding them. So we'll see what happens. All right, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for next time. See ya.